What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to fix the "we can't activate Windows on this device as we can't connect to your organization" error you are getting on Windows. If you're seeing this message, it's usually because your copy of Windows was activated using a KMS or a Key Management Service license, which is often used by businesses and organizations. When your computer is unable to contact the organization's KMS server, activation fails, leading to this error. To fix this, you can manually point to your system using a working KMS server and attempt activation again. Search for CMD in your Start menu and hit Enter. When the command prompt opens, type the following command and press Enter: slmgr/skms kms8.msguides.com. This command sets the KMS server to kms8.msguides.com, which allows Windows to attempt activation using a new activation server. Now, to complete the activation process, use the command slmgr/ato. This command tells Windows to attempt online activation using the specified KMS server. After running this, wait a few moments, and you should see a confirmation message stating that Windows has been activated successfully. If activation is still unsuccessful, ensure that your internet connection is stable and try running the command again. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.